Namaste. Today we're going to be discussing Agnitite. The key words associated with Agnitite are expansion of consciousness, bodily and spiritual transformation, infusion of divine fire, enhancement of latent capacities, and vibrational ascension. The element Agnitite is associated with is fire, and the chakras Agnitite resonates with are all chakras, including the etheric and earth star chakras. Agnitite was named for Agni, the Vedic deity of fire, who was worshipped in India some 5,000 years ago. Many of the Vedic sacred hymns are invocations to Agni, whom the rishis consider the supreme source of spiritual light, life force, and even immortality. Agni was fervently invited to enter the bodies of the ancient chanters of the holy mantras to illuminate their hearts, bodily tissues, and consciousness with the sacred fire, carrying the divine nectar. They believed that Agni was a spiritual fire that existed in all of matter, in living things, stones, and even water. In more recent times, Sri Aurobindo, the mother and her disciple, Saprim, rediscovered the inner significance of the Vedic tradition and worked to call the holy fire into their own bodies, their own selves. Their belief was that humanity is meant to evolve into a new species, one in spiritual union with the divine. Aurobindo saw that Agni is a very real spiritual current, which he called the supramental force above and beyond the mental. In his meditations, and in those taken up later by Saprim and the mother, this force was called down into the body from above the crown chakra, filling it with spiritual fire and grounding it in the earth, for the transformation of the planet, as well as all humanity. Agnitite stimulates the entire liquid crystal body matrix and helps the body learn to resonate in vibrational unity. This shift will enhance qualities such as intuition, healing, strength of will, sense of purpose, and awareness of one's shared consciousness with that of the world at large. As one's body currents harmonize in resonance with those of Agnitite, one may discover an increased sensitivity to other crystals and stones, including those still under the ground. Well, that's all for now. I appreciate you watching. And remember, to spread nothing but love, peace, and crystals. Take care.